Today we are discussing an important model sum, the real life application of GP, geometrical progression, how we are using, when, what type of situations we are using, the application of GP I am showing. An important model, right? NCERT textbook, chapter number 9, exercise number 3, 9.3, page number 193. Problem number 31, real life application of GP, geometric progressions. Right? Write the question. What will rupees 500 amount, rupees 500 amount to in 10 years? To in 10 years after its deposit. After its deposit in a bank. In a bank which pays annual interest, which pays annual interest rate of 10%. What is annual interest rate? 10%. Compounded annually. Compounded, not simple interest, compound interest annually. Got it? After 10 years, what should be the amount? The principal is 500. After 10 years, if you interest rate is 10% like this, if they calculate, the amount should be what? Compoundedly they are counting. Compound interest means first year, first amount 500. After 1 year, some interest is coming for some X. So now for second year, what is the principal? 500 plus X. For that again 10%. X also adding, interest also adding. Means every year interest is adding. On that again interest they are counting. Compound interest, that is. Got it? So you know what is the compound interest formula? Tell me. P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? What is P here? P is principal amount. What is here? P is principal amount. What is R? Interest rate. Rate of interest or rate, interest rate. What is N here in the formula? A variable N representing number of years. Number of years. Got it? It is the how to count the compound interest. R is the rate of interest, N is the number of years, P be the principal amount. Got the point? What is the principal amount here? Understand? Right? Clearly? Right. Given that the principal amount is P equal to 500. Okay. What is rate of interest? Rate of interest or value 10%. Got it? 10. Next, how many number of years? Number of years n equal to 10. Got the point? Follow now. Okay. But if you do P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n, directly we get the answer. But GP application now, we have to use GP. Got the point? Okay. So starting at 0 time, what is the amount? 500. After 1 year. So first, right, we know that WKT means we know that what is compound interest formula? Compound interest and yes or no? Formula P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Okay. Tell me, starting at 0 year, initial amount is 500. Yes or no? After completion of first year. After completion of first year. What is the amount? The amount is, tell me, 500 into plus R value 10 by 100 whole power n. 1 year completed. So by power 1. So tell me what is that? 500 into 1 plus 10 by 100. What is these 0 cancel or not? 10 by 100 means 1 by 10. 1 by 10 whole power 1. So what is that? 500 into 10 LCM. Yes or no? 11 by 10 whole power 1. 10 is LCM. And on the 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 10. 11 by 10 means 1.1. So 500 into 1.1 power 1. So after completion of first year, the amount is this is 500 into 1.1 whole power 1. Got the point? Follow now. Now similarly tell me, after completion of second year, so tell me similarly, after completion of second year, what is the amount should be? So tell me, similarly, after completion of second year, the amount is, tell me, what you get, you know? What you get, you know, tell me. What you are getting, you know? Same 500 into, same simplification, n value changing, n value 2. Here 1 is there, here n value 2. 500 into same simplification, 1.1 whole square. Now tell me, similarly, after completion of third year, the amount is what we are getting? 500 into 1.1 whole cube. Completion of third year means whole cube, like that. Understand? You know, after first amount already 500 is there. It is term 2. So tell me, let all amounts per year wise. Tell me, what is that? 0 year, 500. Next 500 into 1.1 power 1. Next 500 into 1.1 whole square. Next 500 into 1.1 whole cube. So on. Check. 500 cancel is 1.1 whole power 1. It is 1.1 whole square. What is R? Common ratio is there. That's why is ZP. Is ZP or not? All amounts I have written as a sequence. Got the point? Follow now. First amount at 0, 500. After completion of 1 year, you remember, after completion of 1 year means T2. After completion of second year means T3. After completion of third year means T4. Now what we need? Clearly it is GP. Clearly it is GP. Common ratio is there. Check it. 1.1 is the common ratio. First term. A is 500. First term is 500. Common ratio. This term by this term you do. Or this term by this term you do. Or this term by this term. 500 cancel. 1.1 whole cube by 1.1 whole square is 1.1 or not? 1.1. So A value is there. R value is there. Now tell me. After completion of 10 years. After 10 years they are asking. After 10 years, the amount should be, means what? T11 or not? It starts from 500, na? 0 is there, that's why T11, A into R power 10. So A value 500 into R value 1.1. R value what? 1.1 or not? 1.1 whole power 10. Here, what is the logic? After completion of 10 years means T11, 11th term, you observe, it is a T1, T1 already 0. At 0 year, 500, T1. After 1 year, T2. After second year, T3, term 3. After third year, T4, like that. It is T4, it is T2, it is T3, sorry, T1. Got it? It is T2, it is T3, it is T4, it is a T1. 500 is there, that's why. So after completion of 10 years means term 11. Don't confuse. Term 11, A into R power 10. Tn formula, A into R power n minus 1 I used. In GP, what is the formula for Tn? Nth term, A into R power n minus 1 is there. That formula I used. So 500 into 1.1 whole power 10. So 500 rupees, if you keep as a principal amount, the interest rate is a 10% annually. Compound wise, they are annually calculating the final after 10 years. The final amount should be what, you know, 500 into 1.1 whole power 10. It is GP sequence. Got the point? Okay. So the amount should be after 10 years, 500 into 1.1 whole power 10. It is the application of GP. Got the point? Okay. See you. Catch you on next class. Thank you. Bye.